I feel like I feel like I feel like
What is it that you feel? Invincibility? Is it the pureness that fills your heart with optimism? Or is it the darkness that's calling?
Feel me through the words I speak. Swear that I gotta be better than the competition, so a line that would never spit weak. Yes, this is the thoughts I preach. I came up from a place where the cheddar is a must and a dream might get you killed. No niggas wanna get it on, but I couldn't get it on like Diddy tryna rock with a kill. Paid this lane and decided to ride with an eye that's approach, so I coast with a conscience. Got a brain for a nigga like God, but I never really boast. I approach like a monster. Bitch nigga, you can get a karma. Penny shots can't knock my armor. God got me in a place where the ace of spades I now draw for the win, and I'm honored.
Honored? Such a man as yourself deserves much more than to be honored. I doubt you understand that. What lies inside your mind, I doubt.
You ain't gotta doubt a nigga now, I'm proud. Born for the sky and I'm never coming down till a nigga touch down 6 feet underground with the motherfucking flowers.